was at work today and I got alerted by my Blink security camera out in front of my house, and it just so happened it was FedEx. Delivering some factory 47 handlebars for my Road Glide. And then at the end of the day, when my wife got home from work, the Blink camera alerted me one more time, and I looked at the video, and she was expressing her excitement for getting said handlebars. So this weekend I'm going to install them. I'm not a mechanic by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm going to see if it's as easy as they make it look in the video. As you saw from the beginning of the video, I received my factory 47 signature bars for my 2018 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Just a little warning saying don't use a knife or anything. There's powder coated material inside the box. And a disclaimer saying make sure you inspect your entire product for any blemishes or whatever. Let me get a little towel to put under the bars. Let's just take a look. These are some beefy bars. They really look good. All right, let's get them installed. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is lift this up just so it's easier to work on. I've got a J&S floor jack that has worked really good in the past. Now, I'm not a professional. I'm not a mechanic. I have done bars in the past on my street bob over here and on a Sportster, so I do know some things about it. Now, Factory 47, they do bars all the time, so they put out a video and they made it look really simple. So I'm hoping that that is the case with this. The first thing we're going to do is remove the speedometer housing, so that we can get to the 4 bolts that hold the clamp on top of the bar. Okay. Yeah, so that just came off pretty easy. And then this should just slide up. Now there's a couple plugs in the back here that you have to undo. So you can see this plug right here, and there's this one right here. Those need to get disconnected so that you can remove the speedometer gauge cluster. I was wrong, there's 2 black Deutsch plugs. And this one is kind of backwards, so you have to kind of get at it from a weird angle. There we go. When I remove the clutch lever and the brake lever, the bars should just come off. There's nothing else holding them. So this is what we're looking at. You've got the two Deutsch plugs, the plug that was in the back. Then you've got some additional plugs. Now in the video, Factory 47 says that you can remove these plugs, and this plastic, that's for the 14-inch bars. So if you unplug these, which go through the handlebars, one more. These receiving connectors can be removed from this plate. Before I go any further, I should have started with this. I need to get something to cover the gas tank. I don't have one of those thick, heavy-duty tank covers, so I'm just gonna throw this beach towel over the top, just in case a screw falls onto it, or I accidentally tap it with the driver. I'm gonna find something to put that in. So I think these kind of come in handy for situations like this. And that can stay there for now. Now we'll go to the other side. I said to get another bag. Just so it doesn't scratch the fender, because it's hanging right next to it. The top clamp is secured with a 1/4 inch That's it. Let's go inside and switch the controllers onto the new bars. I'll be honest with you, this wiring stuff is awful. However, this is another thing. The video that Factory 47 put out, it was a different year bike, I believe. I don't remember, but it had Deutsch connectors that you had to remove the pins in order to get them through the bars. Well, this is all they have. They've got these, and then let me zoom in. You can see it. You can see it at that other camera. It's got these three, and it's got these two. So there is no big Deutsch connector. So it should be a fairly simple swap, hopefully, and it's plenty long enough. So that's it for that. We'll switch this around. We've got to take the housings off so that we can get to the wires. Now this one's already done, so let me see if I can get myself a little more room here. There is a little prong. Alright, there's a little tab here that holds the thing together. It just pops off like that. And then now the clutch side just has one little wire bundle that needs to get pulled through. The throttle side, obviously, you have to have the throttle. It's a throttle by wire. So that was easy. Now I've got to figure out how to get this grip off, because it's glued. This side is. I'll worry about that later. So that said, if you are in Arizona and you want some black, what are they, 9-inch rise handlebars for your road glide, because maybe you have chrome, I've got a set of black ones for sale. Just hit my DMs and we can discuss price. Let's see here. Yeah, so this side, throttle side, came off easy, obviously. Now, I'm not sure if there's an easier method. Yeah, that seems pretty easy. Maybe it's caught on something. There we go. And you just want to be careful. If you feel like it's not coming out, then just go slow. There's a little gasket that goes around the end there. All right. So that was easy. Let's see if we can finish off this. Okay. For sale. For sale. All right, one thing. If I can't successfully get that grip off of the old handlebars, you'll also get these Karaoke grips with the purchase of said bars. Normally I use like shoestrings when I pull the wires through, but Factory 47 used, and I think they referred to it as Westinghouse chain, or does that sound right? Well, anyway, it was 79 cents a foot. I went and got 8 feet just to be on the safe side. But this camera right here, which is a Canon SX 730, the battery's about to die. So I may be taking a little break here to charge up the battery. But not to worry, I'll be back before I do anything. So I'm going to go do that right now. And we'll see you in a little bit.